Today we're on a brand new journey through the level. It was Spider Lab. Okay. Yeah, last time I had a glitch before recording. I kept gonna grab it, fell to the floor. Today I am going to beat BONELAB as a sock monkey. Come on. Okay. Yes, I am beating BONELAB as a sock monkey. I never heard that before. I'm climbing this up, okay. Don't care, didn't I? Yes, I have the holster resizer mod, so I have a small weapon. Give it to me.
Look, folks, this stainless steel signature edition.
Alright, but today we're beating it as a sock monkey. I have to hold this with 2 hands. Oh my god, it's like taking up all my body. Okay, come on. Move over. I'm not sure how I'll get through the lava portion, but this guy can jump pretty high, so I feel like I can do it. If I can't, I'll just use them. I don't know where I put it in. Okay, it's right there. It's right here. Okay. Oh my god. It's gonna be difficult, dude. Oh, okay. I am not the color I was. But sock monkey gotta do it. If sock monkey beat BONELAB, then he gotta. Boneworks. Who was a mastermind of BONEWORKS, he at least gotta be BONELAB, right? Yeah, so I'm sock monkey. The holster resizer mod is so cool. Dang. Okay, I'm gonna hold this instead of having it on my back. I have to hold this with 2 hands because look at this, it's so wobbly. I have to sprint the entire time because it's about the same as walking as a normal character. Look at the size of the NORADs. They're so big. I got you, bro. I had to jump up the steps. Sorry, I watched the Venom movie last night. I just watched Venom. And I just like the music at the end. Come on, give it to me. Oh my god, it's so hard to control. I'm just gonna go under. I don't know how I'm gonna kill the. Okay, my first enemy's up. Imagine doing long run with this. It's gonna be horrible, dude. Give me that. It's like a sword. Dude, the dagger becomes a sword in my grasp. Skelly boy up there. Give it to me. I have to jump to reach everything. Move over. Move along. Die. Die. Oh my god. Imagine that, but actually fighting back. Okay. I have my frying pan ready. Oh, I'm gonna throw this away. I don't need it. Fuck! I'm using it as a shield. Okay. My vitality is really low. But I feel like I could do it. Oh my god, imagine the Omni projectors though. Yeah, I'm getting the hang of this. Right. But the Omni projectors, I have a gun, so. It's Street Fighter though. I don't have to go. Are you kidding me? There's like squeeze through. I can't. I don't even have to open the gates. I could just squeeze through. What I can do? I can walk on the wall. No! 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 Okay, at least I still have my frying pan. No! Dang it, bro! Come on! Let me get that. Wait. Come on. So hard. Come on. What am I gonna do? Yeah! I did it! Jump! I jumped so high.
Al here was causing a
A lot of trouble over in Fantasyland. Good thing I showed up, right? Like this boombox. Well, the radio is about the size of me. No! Stop! Die! I think this music might be copyrighted. Okay. Get upsies, I need upsies. Oh, I did it. Oh, the crablet. Crablet! Oh my god. Shield! Die! 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 Oh my god. That thing one-shotted me. Oh my god, the sock monkey is so vulnerable. Gun! I have to collect this first, cause oh my god. Oh, help me. Help me. So help me. Please. No! I have to. Can I like kill myself? Wait. Come on, save me! I'm just gonna have to. Wait, where am I? There you go. Save me from my prison. I'm gonna need my sword. Right here. No! Be right there. Cool. Oh. Well, the good thing you can hide behind. Sword. I need the ammo. Okay. Need the ammo. Frying pan always wins. I need that. No, it's like in the floor. Stop. Get out. Okay. Put that back. It's precious ammo. Oh, this is an empty magazine. They're dead, right? Yeah, they're dead.
peaceful out here, but
it
isn't. There's something hostile out there.
No! Don't care! Stop! Don't care! It broke. Finally. The gun is like so small and like. Wait, I need that. It's precious ammo. We need ammo.
Reminder to present your transfer credentials before entering Fantasyland
Done.
Transport Station.
Precious ammo. I need that. Come on, get back. No, get off! Get off! Get off! Get off! No! Get off! Get off! Get off! Ah! Get off! I can't push them off, so I can't really let them on. Screw it, man. I'm not gonna do all of that ever again. I'm just gonna go straight back to the room. They're all gone. Okay, apparently they died. Thank you, whoever did that. Stop. Stop, this isn't fair. Die, I have to empty out like a whole magazine with precious bullets that I don't have. Die! Wait, flying monkey. Oh, I've never seen this. Like, I've actually never seen this. Traffic cone. Alright. I've already unlocked everything because this is 100% game save. Because I had to do a super tedious amount of stuff. Okay, I have my weapons. I have a gun. Oh yeah, I need that. Okay. I can't really like to go down the middle. Oh, I can go down the middle. Nice. Ugh. That's super convenient. This guy. So. To aim this so much. My God. Wasting. You know what? Screw you, man. I'm out of here. Sock Monkey doesn't have time for your hooligans. But he does have time for ammo. Sword. Kill him. It's not really... Come on. Box. Thank you. So I'm just gonna use my knife. I'm gonna use my sword. It's literally like a sword to me. That's so big. Attack! Yeah, it's so convenient. Die! 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 Oh my God. That's so bad, dude. Like, I'm so tiny. Can't really do anything. I have to hop in order to reach their face and stab them. Oh my God. I can't even reach that. Mop. Okay, I'm not gonna risk it. I'm just not. Because I won't make it in. Apparently avoid the top of the stairs. Because it gets stuck.
Please be advised, only approved fantasy assets and objects may pass
Come on. Hurry. Yeah, that's right.
This sector is
That's right.
experiencing a temporary lockdown.
I'm gonna go on these because I'm scared of the steps because they'll die on me. I have a gun now, so wait, it's precious ammo. Move over.
People think we need an army, but
What?
I don't
I
like
don't
armies.
like armies.
I want something different.
Come on, come on, come on.
Everything out here is about
Come on, come at me. Come at me, bro. Come at me, I got a gun now. Come on. Come at me. Scared? Yeah, huh? That's right, you're scared. You're gonna jump at me anytime soon. Or am I just too tiny for it's like... No! Screw it, man, I'm gonna fly up. I'm not gonna do any of that. Oh my god. Oh my god. I have precious ammo I can't waste. No! Oh my god, this. Oh, I can climb up the poles. Oh my god, that saved me. Thank you. Oh, a monkey in distress. No. Come on, climb up. The vents won't be a problem at all. Come on, come on. Oh, come on. Come on. Nah, ain't no way. Ain't no way. I'm gonna do it. Okay. I have an idea. There we go. I did it. No, monkey in distress again. No! I'm stuck. I'm gonna need to move this. Or grilling work. I just realized that I have to get shot at this section right here. Come on. I did it. Oh, my hand. Okay, I'm good. My sword. Sock monkey needs to prosper. Sock monkey will never die. They're killing him! Bro, what did my man do? Ammo! I need all that ammo. I need all of it. Okay, come on. My man was looking at me. Let me just touch it. They know I'm here. Who are you? They know I'm here. They know. Nah, ain't no way. You can't do that. Don't do me like that. Hey, stop. I'm a minor. You know that, man. Can't touch me like that. Hey, die. I'll shoot your ball, dude. How they have children? They only have one ball. Oh my god, this man's vitality. Shoot him! Die! Let's go! I just need a full magazine. They can't see me! It's because I'm so tiny. Oh my god. The holster resizer mod is helping me tremendously. Because if the holster resizer mod wasn't like on, I'd have it like up to here. You know, blocking my. Come on. Shoot his one ball. Yeah, you can't shoot me through here. It's a block. Die. Let's go. I need a full magazine. Okay, thank you. Oh my god. No way. I made it through descent. I just got that guy. And I know what I'm gonna use. My sword. That was a jump most of the way. Come on. I'm making up there slowly but surely. No way, like reflects. It's so cool. I think all the reflections just like pictures of the map. Cause like inside of Nobody, I saw like I was in Halfway Park, right? I was doing some experimenting with the Nobodies. I was gonna. Yeah, you see like the map you're in. I made it through descent! Oh, long run's gonna be impossible. I made it through descent. Well, at least I get to like gear up and stuff. I made it! I made it through descent. Yeah?
You're on your own from here on out, pal.
Nice.
You're not allowed any closer. It's a long story. But hey,
Nice.
welcome home. Everything's possible for Lava Gang.
Thank you, Lava Gang, but like... Oh. Yeah, I don't think I was gonna survive that. Melon Belly, give it to me! Ah. Alright. I'm gonna make a series about this. I'm gonna do... This is my first video. I know this one was meant to be a Gorilla Tag channel, but it's also a BONELAB channel. Yeah, because both games are amazing. Look at me, I was actually the sock monkey the entire time. This is gonna be insane. Alright, this video has little to no editing because I really don't know how. Thank you for watching. Please, if you do want to see more content like this or like the series, please consider subscribing. It's free and it helps me out a lot. Like a lot, because it will be like my first one. Thank you.